Welcome. I just want to talk briefly about this handbook for multi-needle tools. It's written by Linda Williams, published by Pergamano, and we do also happen to have the multi-needle tool set, and it does include all of the multi-needle tools that are discussed in this book, just to make it easy for someone who doesn't happen to have everything that we are going to discuss or that the book discusses. So it does come in a tool set. But we have this book written, like I said, by Linda. It's for the beginner as well as the advanced parchment crafter, and even people who are fond of groovy, which is myself. I'm more of a groovy plate kind of person, but this is really going to cover more of the creating of the designs, creating the lacy work, using the multi-tools. So it doesn't really matter if you do the traditional parchment crafting or if you like the groovy plates. So it's a step-by-step. It's going to talk about all the different multi-needle tools and give you different patterns to practice with, which I find fantastic. They've done a few different books, this company, and I really find them, I'm a beginner in this crafting type, and I find them just incredibly valuable in teaching me how to do patterns and cuttings and all that kind of stuff. So this one will talk to you about all the different tools, and again, like I said, give you patterns to practice with. But also, then once you kind of get through that, it talks about perfect cutting, different types of cuts, from crosses to lace. But then we get into some fun actual patterns. So, and what they do is discuss intermediate, advanced, beginner. So that's kind of nice as well. So we have the different tools that you'll be using and what the skill level is for the particular card. So that's, I think, a bunch of fun as well. I'm looking forward to doing some myself. They also utilize their fancy paper that they've come out with, and we carry as well. You'll see them in all the patterns, but just glorious, glorious paper that they use for the backgrounds of these. But anyway, needle sampler, like I said, you can trace these and do the practice work. I really hope you enjoy it because I plan on going in full tilt. I've just come to totally love. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the detail on that, but it is an intermediate, and look at that beautiful, beautiful stuff. So I'm, like I said, planning on going in full tilt, and I don't know when I'll get to the advanced level, but I'm working toward it. And just a perfect complement to, like I said, if you're a beginner or if you're even a seasoned parchment crafter.